Mission from Mr.X, Day 3. Are you ready? Let's start. Question. What is this? Water, star, sea, and hut. Then what is this last one? Can you guess what this is? Okay. So, if you know the answer, please write your answer in your crossword puzzle. Today is answer to day 3, right here. 答えが分かった人は書いてみましょう。If you need a hint, please continue this video. If you don't need any hints, you can stop the video here. 次にヒントを出しますので、ヒントが欲しい人はこのまま動画を続けてください。So hint. Watermelon, watermelon. Starfish, starfish. Seahorse, seahorse. Hot dog, hot dog. So A. Alright! この動画と連動したクイズブックは希望される皆さんにプレゼントしています。ゲット方法はこの動画の概要欄から見てみてください。Alright! So, thank you very much for watching this mission. I will see you in the next one. See you! Bye! 2024年もよろしくお願いします。